If I'm doing it for the cubic units, works the same way as the metric again. 1 foot by 1 foot by 1 foot is going to be 1 cubic foot. 12 by 12 by 12 inches is going to give me 1,728 inches cubed. If I do 3 feet by 5 feet by 4 feet, that's going to give me 60 feet cubed. At the same rate, 60 inches by 36 inches by 48 inches is going to give me 103,680 inches cubed. If I divide 103,680 by 60, it gives me that same conversion ratio, 1728. So we know that works. In order to convert from cubic yards to cubic inches, we are going to multiply by the ratio of inches and yards is going to be 36, and then to the power of 3. To convert from cubic yards to cubic miles, we would divide in this case by 1760 to the power of 3. So if we put it into practice, if we have 233,280 inches cubed and we want to do it to yards cubed, I would take 233,280 inches cubed divided by 1, and I'm going to multiply that by 1 yard cubed over 36 to the power of 3 inches cubed. And I get 5 yards cubed. If I want to convert 40.5 feet cubed into yard cubed, then I would say that 40.5 feet cubed over 1 is going to multiply into 1 yard cubed is going to be 3 to the power of 3 feet cubed. Or 1.5 yards cubed. If I'm going to convert 5 cubic miles into cubic inches and answer in scientific notation to 2 decimal places, well, I'm going to start with my 5 miles cubed over 1. I'm going to convert that into feet cubed, 5280 to the power of 3 feet cubed over 1 mile cubed. And I'm going to convert that into inches, going 12 to the power of 3 inches cubed over 1 foot cubed. And this is going to give me 1.27 times 10 to the 15 inches cubed. For the last example, a box in the shape of a rectangular prism measures 0.8 meters by 0.6 meters by 0.6 meters. A second box measures 2.5 feet by 2 feet by 2 feet. if I'm using the conversion, 2.54 centimeters is equal to 1 inch, determine to the nearest centimeter cubed which box has the greatest volume and by how much. Well, for box 1, the volume is going to be 0.8 times 0.6 times 0.6, or 0.288 meters cubed. I'm going to convert that into centimeters cubed. So I'm going to say that that would be the same as 0.288 meters cubed over 1 and multiplied by 100 to the power of 3 centimeters cubed over 1 meter cubed, or 288,000 centimeters cubed. For box 2, the volume is going to be 2.5 by 2 by 2, which would give me 10 cubic feet. Now I need to convert this into centimeters cubed. So, how am I going to do this? I'm going to convert the feet into inches. Sorry, I'll do this in a different color. Which is going to give me 12 to the power of 3 inches cubed over 1 foot cubed. And then I'm going to convert those inches into centimeters. So 2.54 to the power of 3 centimeters cubed over 1 inch cubed. This is going to give me 283,168 centimeters cubed. What is the difference? Well, if I have 288,000 minus 283,168, it's going to be 4,832 centimeters cubed. The first box is bigger. In terms of the surface area, don't worry about that. We're not going to get into the surface area for that.